Hello guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. My name is Mel's. Today we're gonna be going over my Sephora haul. Yes, it is a bit late, but please do consider that we have had a literal flood in these days in Dubai, so all packages were delayed, and yeah, it wasn't a pleasant situation. So here I am at literally 9:45 p.m. unboxing this box that just literally came after eating a bowl of whipped cream. So you can understand, it's Friday night, you want to watch a movie, you want to drink a tea with your family. No, you're here in front of a camera recording makeup. That's what we like to do here. So I hope that you will consider subscribing, and I would really appreciate that. But without further ado, let's go into what I picked for the Sephora sale. I also have a few things that aren't necessarily from Sephora, but I've included them here since it's a haul. If it's a bit dark, it's because it is 10 p.m. Hopefully it's fine. You wanna grab a drink or a cup of coffee, just have those late night unboxing vibes. So I'm gonna start with this Merit Solo Shadow. I have another one literally right here. This is the shade Studio that I already have, and as you can see, I have a hole in it. I've been using this non-stop. I think it's the perfect base for eyeshadow and for effortless makeup looks, just like I did today. So I got another shade. I got the shade Nelson. So this is quite a turn. Guys, I had lipstick on my teeth and nobody said anything. What the frick? So yeah, I got the shade Nelson. This looks scary. It is a gray. It has like a decolored drop in the middle. You can see that. But I thought this would be great for effortless smoky eyes. This is a shade. It's the same formula as the other one. Basically, yeah, you can see if I keep blending this, it becomes like a shadow. So I'm very excited to see what I can do with this and many creative ways I can use this. I was also thinking maybe an eyeliner. I don't know. I'm not sure at this point, but we'll see. Guys, we have a lot of blushes and a lot of lip products. Are we surprised? I think every haul I saw has literally been just blushes and lip products because it's everything that brands are putting out right now. I got the Makeup Forever Artist blush. This is in the shade Wherever Rose. I watched Julia Adams suggest this. I was actually interested in getting the Dior Rosewood blush, but I was really scared of the hard pan. This is like a rosy shade. It has a bit of gray and a tiny bit of purple. Let's watch it. Oh, this is really soft. Okay, so this is the color. Honestly, I thought this had a bit more brown in it, but it looks very cute and the formula is nice. It's very soft. It's like it feels like a setting powder, like a loose powder. It's very soft. So hopefully I like the shade on me. Let's keep it in the realm of blushes. I got the House Labs blush, Color Fuse blush in the shade Pomelo Peach. This is everywhere because they changed the packaging, and I swatched this shade in store. By the way, this feels so luxe. It's very nice. And can we just, as an industry, can we just agree on what peach and coral are? Because I feel like they get easily mixed up with just pink. Sometimes peach blushes are orange, that's why I'm very scared of them. Sometimes they are this type of pink and they are very nice. So can we just decide what is coral, what is peach, what is pink, and then use that as a standard for everything? Pretty please. If my hair is crazy, it's because I washed it. And I didn't want to style it today because I'm gonna style it tomorrow, and I really wanna, just avoid burning and drying it out. Another blush, we have the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Matte blush in the shade Bliss. So this is the palest shade they have. I have Hope, and I wanted to see Bliss because it looks very pale in the swatches. Let me try. Yeah, actually I thought it was even paler than this, but sheared out, yeah, you can see that it works very well on my skin tone. This is not a new product, it's just a product that I already have in another shade and I wanted something else, so I already know that this is good and I'm looking forward to using it. Shall we go into the lip products? I have 2 lip liners and one is very cheap and one is not. So one is from Sephora collection. This is the shade Dress to the 90s, number 9. Yes, number 29. So as the name suggests, this is a 90s brown. This formula, by the way, if you were eyeing it, just know that since it is a gel formula, it never really goes matte. So it looks satin here. You can see, doesn't look like that, but it is satin and it keeps looking satin on your lips. So just keep that in mind if you prefer a matte lip liner. And then I have from Makeup Forever the shade Universal Earth. I have a lot of these Makeup Forever pencils, so I just wanted a new shade, and this should be like a reddish brown if I can get it open. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. I love burgundy lipsticks and I didn't really have something that could go well with them, so I'm very excited about this shade. I think this would look great as an eyeliner as well, and you can do that with this formula. They are multi-use liners, so you definitely can. And now for the lipsticks, I have 4 here from Sephora. The first one, it's actually like a matte, proper, full-blown lipstick. And this is the Westman Atelier in the shade Piqué. I got this because it's described as a taupey mauve, and the word taupey just gets me every time. This is very heavy, by the way. It feels very luxurious. It's a bit thick for a lipstick, like compared to, I don't know, Charlotte Tilbury. Do you see how thick this is? But let's see a swatch. So yeah, it looks very like a mauve in the bullet and swatch. Oh, it's very glidey. I did not expect that. This is a shade, you can see it has a bit of a gray undertone to it. It looks very nice. If you build it up, you see the gray coming out more and more. But it's a very interesting formula. It's matte, but it's like super soft and moussey. Just by swatching it, it looks disturbed. So it seems very comfortable just by the swatch. We will see on the lips. For lip tints slash glosses, balms, this type of category, I have here the YSL Love Shine. This is the reformulated, I don't know, it was their balm. Can't remember what it was called, but it has now the same packaging as the Candy Glaze. I got mine in the shade 202, which is called Peachy Glow, and ooh, that looks so satisfying in the bullet. I have to be honest, again, here comes my, ooh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Oh my god, I want to put it on right now. Let's put it on right now while I rant about the shades. Again, I don't think that this is peach. This is clearly like a brownie rose, like a rosewood shade to me. So again, we aren't really understanding each other when it comes to pinks and peaches, in my opinion. I had 2 other shades of this before the reformulation. It's very low pigment, which makes sense because it's a balm. To be honest with you, it seems like I'm putting on a stick of water. I don't feel any difference from the previous formulation, but I don't know. If they tell me it's reformulated, then I will believe them. But overall, we agree that this is not peach. This is definitely like a pinky brown. I'm happy about that. I knew what I was buying because I watched a few swatches and I knew that this was the shade for me, even though it's called Peachy Glow. It doesn't feel like something that's very long lasting though, while a few other lip products, they feel more jelly. And talking about gel, let's try out the Give Beauty Dewy Plump Collagen Lip Gel in the shade Bouquet. I'm very into pinks lately, and the fact that they call this a lip gel instead of a lip gloss really enticed me into buying this, because I feel like gel is something that has a longer lasting power than a gloss, something that really hugs your lips. So that's so cute. That's literally so cute. Oh, that's what she said. That's a big applicator. And this is the shade Bouquet. Yes, so immediately just applied this on my hand. I can feel its grip, like it's gripping. It's this one here. It's like a pinky, a warm pink. Yeah, it feels like something that I want to put on, and that it's probably gonna stay a bit longer than like this YSL Love Shine kind of thing. And the last lip product from Sephora is I'm just opening it without showing you. I'm just that excited. This is the Tatcha the Kissu lip tint. I have mine in the shade Midnight Lily. So this is SPF 25 in it, which is interesting. And I don't see a lot of people talking about it. I was looking for swatches, couldn't find a lot, so I just went with my gut. Ooh, well, it feels just like the YSL Love Shine, but it has more pigment. This is the Love Shine, and this is the Tatcha. You can see the Love Shine is a lot shinier. This is looks like a satin lipstick in comparison, but I can feel that it's like a balmy type of situation. And when you blend it a bit, because you know when you do that thing with your lips, this is the shade. If I bought the same color in multiple formulas, probably. It's not like I'm regretting it, because I know that I use those shades, but I'm just saying there's a pattern here. I have the last two products from Sephora. It's very hot. Okay, so first off we have the Dior Forever Glow Star Filter. This is in the shade 0. I did not want to put up with anything too yellow or tan for me. And this is basically like Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. You can use it as a liquid highlighter. They also came out with a liquid highlighter in this collection, but it was not like a nude shade. It was like pink or icy or peachy, and I wanted this, like a nude shade. Also because my Charlotte Tilbury just went bad quite a few months ago, so I wanted to replace it, but why not check out a new product in the meantime? This is very interesting. This is definitely way less shiny than the Charlotte Tilbury, and this feels more like foundation-y. Here it is on my hand. You can see there's a glow to it, and it added some coverage. It matches perfectly well my hand, so I'm glad. But yeah, this looks like a foundation. This is very interesting. I'm very excited to try this also as a foundation and not just as a base, which by the way I'll probably do in an upcoming video of trying everything that I'm hauling here. So if you're interested in that, again, please remember to subscribe. And last but not least, or maybe actually least because of its reviews, I got the Huda Beauty Creamy Eyeshadow Palette in Natural Brown. I know, before you say anything, I know this is a bit controversial right now, because people are saying this doesn't last long, or that you just don't get a lot of looks with this, but this is exactly, it sounds exactly like what I want. Like on a daily basis right now, I'm just going for, as you can see right now, just a wash of color and a glittery eyeshadow on top. And this is supposedly very natural, not very pigmented. So this, I think that this can be for some people, just not everybody, but someone. And maybe that someone is me. We'll see that. This is the palette, everybody knows it. Let me swatch So this one on top here, okay, actually I was afraid that was gonna be too peachy, but it's not. Definitely warmer than me, but not too peachy. Then this shimmer here also looks very peachy. Well, you'll agree with me, that is orange. Sir, that is orange. We tried the sparkly one. This is very pretty. Oh, that punches. That punches. But yeah, people were saying it doesn't really stay on a lot and it is too soft. But these are very natural shades. If you don't want like something super pigmented and just wanna something easy to work with in terms of colors, I'm not sure about the formula at the moment, I haven't tried it, but yeah, these colors are very natural. Just look at this type of eye look right here. That's a look. And then we have a set shade. I don't know how you're supposed to use that. Some people use it as a base for their eyeshadow look. Others just literally set the cream. I don't know. We will see what I end up doing with it, and hopefully it lasts on me. I never have trouble with eyeshadows fading, so I hope that's not the case with this as well. That was it for the Sephora part of this video. I have 4 more products that I wanted to show you that I hauled. Lana Del Rey's makeup artist launched lip product and well, its own makeup line. It's the Ortega makeup line, and I wanted to try these first of all because it's Lana Del Rey's makeup artist, and second of all, these shades, like this product is a pencil and I love lip pencils. I think that they're just so easy to use and swipe on your lips. These are the shades LA Chic. This is very pigmented. LA Chic, which is a brown. It has a bit of like a rosy taupey base. And then we have Euphoric, which is more like a mauvey shade, mauvey brownie shade, just like I like them. And yeah, I will try these on. And the last 2 products I have are from Phytosurgeons. So why, this is such a random purchase. I know it is. I can't say anything. It is. It just came out with a new collection of like a greeny, taupey, goldy eyeshadows, but I wanted these 2, which are from an older collection. Fractal Freesia, I don't know. I already swatched this. This is like a warm, glimmery eyeshadow. If you never tried the Phytosurgeons eyeshadows, they are like very creamy. That's why they are in a pot. They are great one and done eyeshadows, and that's why I got these. These are the shades I basically use on a daily basis. The second one is called Defiant Dahlia, and it's like a bronzy warm eyeshadow. You can see it's swatched here. Yeah, that's stunning. I can't wait to play with these. Just note that if you get these, don't push on them too hard because they will collapse on themselves and it will get messy. Not as easy to use. And this is it for today's videos, guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments what you got in the haul. Hauls are so enchanting to me. Like, I want to know what everybody got. That's just the makeup and beauty fiend in me, just curious. So let me know in the comments, and hopefully you will consider subscribing so that I can see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Bye!